Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be working with an easy step-by-step guide on how to create a pie on Trading 212. So if you want to create a pie on Trading 212, here's a simple workaround. So the first thing to do is first step is to open the Trading 212 app on your phone and make sure you log in into your account. Then step 2, tap the invest tab at the bottom of the screen, then tap the pie icon or go to the auto investing section, then tap the create pile or the plus button to start the new one. So search and add a stock or ETF you want to include in your pile. Then you can add multiple investment if you want. Adjust the percentage allocation for each stock or ETFs by moving the slider or the entering exact percentage. Then after that, once done, tap the next, then give your pile a name and review your allocation. Then after that, tap create pile to confirm. Then you can now add fund manually or set up auto invest to invest automatically on a schedule. And that's how you can easily create a pile on Trading 212. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more guide.